What's up guys, I'm Kyle. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be trying to get this Honda CM450 running. I actually just picked up the bike, I got it for free, and I believe it's been sitting for like 7 years or something like that. Yeah, at least 5, because the tag's expired. We've started diving in a little bit, and you can see some squirrels and mice. Probably just mice actually, have decided to make a little bit of a home on the bike. So we got some work cut out for us, but I'm excited to get this thing going and see if we can turn it into a little bit of a cafe race. There's baby! She's a ripper! Uh-oh. Our first order of business is gonna be to blow out all these acorns. All right, so we're gonna blow the acorns out of the air box to start, and then hopefully it's not a complete rat's nest in there. Oh, that's nasty.
Drum brakes all the way around.
Oh, one more.
It's a tiny rear sprocket. Should be out. Long-winded.
Oh yeah, that's sick.
This air filter looks new. I mean, obviously there's a rat's nest in it. Pull that out. It's a pretty clean air box, honestly. While we're outside, do you have a flat blade and drain the carburetor bowls? See if there's anything in there.
Yeah, I can grab one. All right, guys, so we got the air box opened up, and there was a mouse nest in there. It wasn't too bad, but we got that cleaned out. Now we're gonna drain the carburetor, and hopefully that's not super dirty. And then the other main issue that we're gonna run into is they replaced the ignition at one point because they lost the key for it, but that key was the same key as the tank and this lock here, and so we can't get into the tank right now. So I think we're gonna have to drill that out, and then I do have like a whole replacement assembly coming, so we'll have to replace that. But for now, we're gonna make sure the carb's clean. Hopefully it's not too bad that we can try and get it running at least, because I do have a battery, spark plugs, and then stuff for oil change. But we're gonna tackle this, and then probably have to figure out the tank here in a sec. So yeah, that's not good.
Carbs will probably have to come out.
So that's bad gas then if it's yellow? I don't know if you...
It smells like varnish.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's literally yellow. Oh, it's draining on this side too here. Yeah, that does not... It smells like paint thinner almost.
Yeah, varnish.
Yeah.
That's what happens to gas when it goes bad.
Wow.
That's
fun.
Probably wouldn't be a bad idea. Pull the tank, pull the carbs, pull the bowls off the carbs.
And clean them.
Just blast out the jets and everything, put them back in place. Honestly, if we get lucky,
yeah,
we might be able to loosen these and
just slide them out.
Actually, no, they're hooked together by this link bar.
Okay.
Like on a dirt bike, you can spin the carburetor in there and get at everything, but it might just be easier to pull them out.
Okay, so do we want to drill the tank first, do you think, and figure that out?
We can pull the tank off without doing this.
All right.
And the tank's gonna have to come off anyways. So. Technically, rubber's an insulator, but I'm not gonna risk it. When we put this on the engine and ground it out, you should be able to see sparks when you crank it. So, crank it. You see it sparking?
Yeah.
Yep, so we got spark.
Sick, okay.
You got new plugs, we might as well throw them in because those ones are pretty old and dirty. Alright, old spark plugs. Let's get... Yeah.
You don't want these super snug, right?
You can get them, I mean, snugged up to a point, you know what I mean? You want to be able to just get them off again.
That's probably pretty good. It's in there. The real test is going to be to see what comes out of this mother hecker.
Solid gel. I'm just going to hold it up straight, don't be scared.
I'm scared.
I'll leave it like this for now.
I'm scared. Ah!
Oh, now you can't make the TikTok about not getting oil on your hands. That actually looks really good oil.
So far, I'm kind of surprised at everything about this bike. You just voluntarily got oil on your hands.
It's not black, but it's not
Can I have
brown either.
Hi, Murph. Hi.
Before we put fuel in it, we'll strap this on there and you can ride it.
We could do that. That would be sick.
Is there gonna be oil coming out of it?
Yes, yes.
You don't remember my dad ever doing that?
Grab the.
Jack, grab the pan real quick.
It's right.
My dad would ride bikes down
Drain that in there.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get this.
Set it down back on here. There you got both hands. Make sure the washers don't fall off. Whatever that is, it's like a spring.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, it does. Didn't feel like it.
That's
That
the most
nasty old sludge out of there.
oil filter I think Honda's ever put on something. I didn't see it come apart.
Yeah.
China buffet card. You guys ripped the buffet?
Yeah, we did.
Oh shit.
Yesterday.
Dude, I regretted that so hard.
I thought it was awesome. Jack had bubble guts, he said. China Buffet never lets me down. Can't hurt its best customer.
My favorite's the sushi there.
What? Dude, that's beyond sketchy. Okay, so there's the quart down. I'll have to go search for some.
I mean, it looks like a full stick.
Yeah,
Well, if we do get it running,
we'll just check it again.
the air filter is going to probably take, or an air filter, the oil filter could take upwards of like half a quart.
Yeah. Okay, so because of our tank lock issue that we talked about previously, Jack has this that we're going to throw in there just to see if the bike will even start without cleaning the carbs. We just did a fresh oil change, and then we changed the spark plugs too. So hopefully with good gas, it'll fire without cleaning the carbs, because that would be nice to avoid that work. But I guess we'll see in a second here.
So, full choke,
Moment of truth.
ignition on, we'll give her a pump or two. Let's do one of these quick, see if any of that good fuel even got down to the carburetor. Okay, so yeah, we got fuel in the carb. Whether the jets are all gummed up or whatever, I don't know. It's a pretty good chance.
Come on, baby.
Choke is once again on. Yeah.
She sounds pretty gummed.
Clean the carbs, unfortunately.
Sweet.
When we could pour a little gas down the cylinders just to hear it, but be lean. It's not good for it. Yeah, look at all that crap. All right, so
What is this? Is that like a float?
get a catch pan, because there's all sorts of nice little pieces that we gotta take out.
All right, guys. So the jets were super clogged in the carbs, and there was like gunk built up in each of the bowls. So we're cleaning those. Then we're hoping that we can just put them back in. We were able to leave all the cables and stuff connected to the carb and just pull it out. So once we have the jets cleaned and the bowls put back on, hopefully we'll slide her in, and then she'll get fuel and run. Should I try it?
Got choke.
Choke?
It is, or yeah, pull that all the way up.
Holy.
It's kind of a there.
Here goes nothing. No way, dude.
And it idles.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it dripped that right.
7 years. So I explained how we don't have a key for that tank and it's probably all rusted out. We want to ride the bike, so we made our own gas tank.
There's some crap floating around.
Who cares?
There, but...
Brisk bottle. We have gasket maker on there and a brass fitting. And we were able to make our own fuel tank.
Oh, wait, there's no gas.
No way!
That's the LPD.
Oh my gosh, baby! First test drive. Is it flashing? Am I recording? Get the gas tank. Free, baby. Free motorcycles. Uh-oh. No! It started breaking up and then it turned off.
Alright, just the hose that's fucking up there.
The hose is too long.
Yeah. Here, I'll just sit here. Or no, hold on. I'm like fucking ripping around the front or something. I'll get on video. Just go stand by the road, we'll ride by. Yeah. Well, now she lays. Oh god, the seat's not bolted down! Gorgeous, baby!
She's a ripper! Does this thing have a horn?
We can't run out of gas. Oh god, look at this bubbling. We're running out of gas again. Oh, you know what? I bet we need a hole in this. It makes vacuum.
Oh yeah. Go, baby! Oh no! We're not gonna make it. Keep squeezing it. Keep squeezing it. No, she's down. She's squeezing it.
What do you know?
We can stop it as this guy.
We're going downhill after this.
Come on, baby. Come on. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, so I would say that's a pretty successful day. We got the spark plugs changed, oil change, new oil filter, new battery, and it runs, and we had to clean the carbs. It still idles pretty lean. I'll show you here. It actually pops pretty bad.
There's our homemade gas tank for
So it runs pretty lean, so I'll have to adjust that. But overall, stoked that it only took a couple hours of work to get a bike that's been sitting for 7 years running. It's not bad at all. So tomorrow, if I have time, I'm gonna try and drill this out because I have a whole new lock assembly that's coming, and then I can get in the tank, the actual tank, and see if it's rusted out, if I need to get a new one of those. But and then I'll probably start painting things and maybe looking at seats and handlebars and taillights, headlights, and try and make it look like a legit cafe racer. I don't know. But overall, super stoked with the outcome today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I think there was some funny laughs in there. It's kind of a good time. So I'll keep you all updated on the progress of this bike, and I'm excited to try and turn it into something that looks cool. So thanks, guys.
I just can't sleep. This is bad. Let's go to Charlie's.